Kajabi released a new product update, and I'd love to show you how to go and update your product theme so that you can have those features too. I'm also going to give you a couple expert tips along the way, so check it out. So to update your product themes, you're going to head over to your All Products area. You're going to choose whatever product you're going to update. So in this case, I have a sample course here that has a theme that I can update in it. We're going to head over to the Customize section up here in our tabs. In the Customize section, we will have our active theme here, and you may have some other ones installed down here as well. Whichever one you want to update, it doesn't really matter. You can update them all or just the active one. Either way, it's the same process. Now, before you do an update of your theme, I always recommend that you do a backup or a download of it or an export of the theme so that you have a copy of the original. Should anything go wrong in the update, you have the original that you can revert back to, and you don't have to go to Kajabi support to get their help to fix it. So here's my active theme here. It's just a sample course, so you don't really see much going on with it. You're going to head to this menu here, and you're going to hit export as a zip, and that will send you an email with the template file. You're going to download that template file to your computer. It's a zip file. Do not open it. Just leave it as is. If you need to revert back to this theme here for your product, you can go ahead and hit install the template. Come down to the bottom here and hit upload template and just re-upload it. And then it's going to add it to your list of installed templates. And then you just go ahead and click the menu and go activate. Okay, and then you basically reverted back to where we are right now. All right, so that's how you can save yourself a copy of your template theme here, or your product theme. Once you've done that and you're good to go, you can hit update theme down here in the menu. It's going to tell you, when the most recent update came out. If you want to read details about it, you can click here. Otherwise, you can go ahead and hit preview update. It's going to give you just a quick little look at it, and you can open it up and take a look and see what's going to happen. Usually the preview is pretty accurate on whether or not this update is going to look good. If you do have any coding in your product theme, you are going to lose it all. So this is like your final check to make sure that it's all going to work out good. All right, once you're happy with that and you're ready to go, you can acknowledge that you understand that the code is going to get wiped out. If you have CSS code, you're usually good. That most likely will stay. It's if you have code in the kind of back-end liquid code, that's the part that gets wiped out here. So this template doesn't have anything in coding. It's just a basic template, so I can hit update. Kajabi is going to do its little thing in the background. And then when it's finished, we're going to have the opportunity to go in and just take a look at it and just go through every single page, go through your product page, go through the posts of the lessons, and just go through, make sure that the fonts are good, the colors are good, the buttons are good, and all your images and everything kind of came out nicely. So hopefully it works out well for you. If not, you do have a backup that you can always go back to if you need. So if you want to learn how to update your website themes, check out the next video on your screen here.